Why, after drinking a glass of plain water, the urine is pale yellow and has a slightly unpleasant smell. You can skip this smelly video, but you must show it to your friends. When water passes through the esophagus into the stomach, it combines with gastric juice and food. The water is almost not absorbed here. The stopping time is only a few minutes. The water then enters the small intestine and is absorbed by the epithelial cells of the small intestine into the bloodstream. The waste products metabolized by the body are transported to the kidneys along with the water. They are filtered through millions of tiny filters in the kidneys, to be filtered through the small filters. The filtered out impurities will pass through the urethra into the optical band and be temporarily stored. Why is the urine yellow and still has a spicy smell? This is largely related to the bilirubin that is formed from our liver. There is a very large relationship. Bilirubin will be reduced to bilivexin in the intestine, and 80 to 90% of bilivexin will be formed with the feces. The remaining biliverrectin is absorbed by the intestines and converted into urobilin. Urobilin is transported through the bloodstream, transported to the kidneys, where it is oxidized into yellow urobilin when it is excreted in the urine. It is these pigments that give urine its pale yellow color. As for why urine smells bad, when the body's digestive system breaks down protein, it creates compounds like ammonia, which eventually combine with urine. When these compounds decompose naturally, they give off a pungent odor. But there are also special cases. If you eat some dyes that cannot be metabolized by the body, or some foods with strong aromas, then the urine will actually smell and be bright. You pee, and the whole village will know. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a common concern. Why is your urine yellow and smelly even though you drink a lot of water? First, let's address the color. Your urine can turn yellow due to dehydration, which is why it's important to drink enough water. However, if you're consistently drinking enough water and your urine remains yellow, it might be a sign of a health issue, such as a urinary tract infection. In this case, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. Now, let's talk about the smell. If your urine smells, it could be a sign of a urinary tract infection, kidney stones, or even a UTI. Again, if you're experiencing this consistently, it's important to seek medical advice. Remember, your health is your wealth, so stay hydrated and take care of your body. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy, stay happy.